Hey guys, this is Brushti Modi from Team Wanda Vision and I'm presenting to you our application Health Hub alongside my teammate Rohan Pujari.
The COVID 19 pandemic has disrupted every aspect of our ordinary lives. Work from home, remote learning, following public health guidelines, closing down of gyms, shops, and grocery stores have affected our daily lives. Meal planning for a family has become even more challenging than before. With limited shopping times available, we often have to compromise and make do with what food is available at the time. Sometimes we do not even have all the ingredients available with us. Fitness is another aspect that has been affected by the pandemic. With gyms shut down, people were finding it hard to maintain their fitness routines and workouts from home. Health Hub plans to help people lead a healthy lifestyle by helping them plan healthy meals under the guidance of health coaches and gamifying exercise. Key features of our application are as follows: the Healthy Recipe Guide, which is a list of curated recipes based on ingredients you have available at home, the Lifestyle Tracker, which tracks your steps and counts the calories burned, the Healthy Bot that clears your doubts regarding health or fitness related issues, a retrospective journal, which is a safe space to express yourself and your emotions, health coaches who will guide you on your fitness journey, and a community corner where you can interact with other Health Hub users. How is the application use helpful to users? Maintaining healthy eating habits. Users are motivated to exercise and stay fit. A sense of community is developed among the users as they share their experiences. Users can take charge of their mental health.
The technology stack for the application is as follows. We are using Node.js and Express.js for the backend, along with EJS templating engine for the front end. We are using MongoDB as for the database, Google Dialogflow to develop the chatbot, Google Fit API for the lifestyle tracker, Spoonacular API for the recipe guide, and Socket.io for the chat rooms for the health coaches and the users. Social impact and business plan. Amidst the ongoing pandemic and otherwise, this application will be really helpful to both users and coaches alike. In social interest, we are planning to keep the majority of the application free for the users. Our business model is a combination of the following. First, ad-based revenue model, where users will be shown ads to collect extra rewards along with the rewards they get while they walk using the lifestyle tracker. Transactional revenue model, where the dietitians, fitness coaches have to pay a fee or a percentage of their consultation fee for using the application. And subscription revenue model, where users need to pay a yearly subscription to use our premium services, which is more recipes, more interaction with our dietitians, coaches, etc. What's next for Health Hub? We plan on integrating the Zoom and Google Calendar API, which we couldn't during the duration of the hackathon. We also plan to add a speech-to-text facility in the chat room so that the users and the fitness coaches can communicate with each other more effortlessly. We also plan to make the application more interactive and user-friendly, and also convert the application into a mobile or a native application.